Hi, how are you doing? This video is just a quick video to show you how to set up MetaTrader 5 on your computer using it from your PC. It's very simple, a very simple process, right? So you can come to metatrader5.com, right? I've shared the link with you. So then you just click here. So you are then using the same MetaTrader 5 on your phone, right? This from the same company. Or you can just head over to what Xness platform download on Google and then just go to, right? So you can also download a MetaTrader 5 that is customized to Xness, right? So you can just click here, download MetaTrader 5. This is from Xness website, or you download MetaTrader 5 from MetaTrader themselves, right? But I already have this installed, so I'm just going to show you how to set up a new installation using this. So once you click, right, automatically the setup will be installed. Is about 3.8 or 4 megabytes. Once I click to install, the process starts up. Hold on, just let me share that bit of the screen. All right, it opens like this, and then we head on installing, right? So this is the whole process. If you choose the Express one too, it's going to follow the same process. We are just waiting for it to just complete its installation. Just so it doesn't normally take long. Let's just wait for it to be done. I say congratulations, we've been waiting for you. So once I hit finish, right? So once you are done installing, you're going to see something like this. Very complicated, right? You're just wondering, how does this thing work? How does that thing work? It looks very messy, but don't get so confused, right? I'm just going to show you a very simple way to set this up, right? And you can start trading automatically, right? So by default, you're going to see all this red and blue and all the screen looking very messy, something like this, right? But don't worry, we're still going to set it up. So just hit the X button on all of this, X here, X here, X here, X here. Now, all the layout here has disappeared. Now, you can see here saying Market Watch. This is where you select your currency pair. Navigation, this is where you look for your new broker and then you add it, right? And then we take it up from there. So by default, you have a demo account of what? $10,000, but we want our demo account. We are going to create an Xness here. So what do? We just head up to accounts here. You right click and then log in. Now you come here, you right click and say open an account. When you open an account, you're going to see this, right? Remember on the phone version, we search for Xness technology set. We are going to come and search for what? Xness and then what? Find your company, right? So it lists and then we go to all the way to what? Xness, what? Technologies, this one. But bear in mind, if you are already using, if you installed this MetaTrader 5 from the Xness website directly, you don't have to come back and look for Xness technologies, right? Automatically, the Xness service will be listed there. But because this is just a universal one, that is MetaTrader 5, we have to come and now look for Xness technology come to next. And then from here, say open a real account for live trading. You come to the third option, connect with an existing trade account, right? So here we are going to connect with an existing trade account we already have, right? So to connect that, you remember the whole process, right? Very simple process, not quite complicated. If you remember everything we did. So first things first. First things first, what do? You go into Xness, right? You go into Xness, you try and look for, let me try and sign into my dummy account so that you have a fair idea. So I'm signing into the account I use for teaching purposes, right? Once your account has been signed in like this, once your account has been signed in like this, what do? You come to demo. So this is the demo account I have here, right? Remember we created um, a demo account here. The same demo account if you link to your phone, right? You just come and then come and show the account information. So this is what we want, the server and then the what? Account number. So we can see clearly MT5 trial and then this is the account number. So I just click here to copy the account number and then I toggle back here. I paste the account number here and then I come and look for what MT5 trial. Make sure that this is correct. If it's not correct, it's never going to log in. So MT5 trial, where is it? Okay. I have it here and then I enter my password. I hope I remember this password. If I don't remember this password, then it means I have to. Great. You see the account is showing here. $10,000, right? It means I have been able to successfully log in here. If I drop down under account and I come to MT5 trial, you can clearly see the reboot demo account. Now let me just go and then show you see clearly here the reboot demo account. It means this account here has been successfully logged into MetaTrader 5 here, but then you want to be able to start to trade, but then it's still looking messy. So today being a Sunday, let me just take a dummy account that crypto account trades on Sunday. So let me just use a pair like BTC USD. Or here, if you are looking for your pairs and you want to look for and you want to be able to look for the pairs, let me delete all this. So let's say I'm deleting all this. So you click on it and then just hit the space bar. Once the list is empty, you want to add an account. You see here it says what click to add. Once you click here, a search box comes. You can type GBPUSD. Enter. Now let's say I want to add another account, BTC USD, and then I hit enter as well. Then it gets added there. You can clearly see BTC USD is trading now, but GBP USD that's frozen because market is closed over the weekend. But for crypto, because it's decentralized, it trades over the weekend. Now I want to open it, the chart here. What do? I just drag this here, right? But when I drag it here, it's going to look like this. So I'm just going to hit the full screen and then it fills up this space. So basically trying to learn the navigation is quite easy, right? The same way in TradingView, you see your chart here. This is where you select your currency pairs. Let's say I want to select Euro USD. Once I find it, enter. Then it gets listed there. Let's say XAU USD, XAU USD. That's for gold. When I find it, enter. Then it gets listed here. Here is where I get to add my account. So to add an account, you come here, open an account, Xnest Technologies. Next, connects with an existing account. So existing account means that an account you have created on your Exness terminal here, an account you've already created here. All you have to do is come and view the account information, right? Make sure that this two details, server login, MT5 login, that's the account number, and then the password you set for this account, you just what input all three here. Once you input it and it connects, you should see your balance and then your account name. A new account should add here, right? You can create as much as multiple accounts as you want, right? But to make this very simple, you can clearly see that it looks very kind of different if you look at it right now, right? This kind of very different, red and blue, very complicated. But now let's say we want to be able to place a trade, right? It's quite simple. I already have a template, right? I already have a template I'm going to share with you, right? So just look at how I add it here, right? And just try and see if you can you can still follow the same process. It's not so much of a big deal, right? It's not so much of a big deal. Just see if you can follow um the process, right? So this is what we do. Just a minute. So this is what you do, right? You come to file here, file, then you come to open data folder, right? When you go to open data folder, you should see something like this pop up on your screen. You should see something like this pop up on your screen. So let me do it again. So you come to file, open data folder. You should see something like this pop up on your screen. Then you come to what's MQF5, and then you come to profiles. Here, profiles. Then you come to what templates. Right, you see by default, you see only three templates, the ADX, Bollinger Bands, and the momentum, right? I'm going to give you a template. I'm just going to share it in your Telegram. So just download it, right? Once you download that template, what you do is what you just come and paste it or you drag it here. The template is called Naked Chat, right? So just download it from the Telegram. I'm going to share it in your Telegram. Just download it and just come and paste it here, right? Once you are done pasting it here, all you do is what? Close this window, right? If you come to close this window, come to the chat template, you should see it listed here as one of the three that it was initially there, but you can't see it because you have to restart MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to close MetaTrader 5, right? And I'm going to open the software again. Basically, what that template is doing is it's supposed to edit the color to your liking, right? But if probably you have your own color scheme you want to use, all you can do is just click here, go to properties, and then tweak these colors to edit here to the way you want to edit it, right? But because I want it to be very easy for you, all you can do is what? You went to file, data folder, MQL file, MQL5, came towards profiles. Under profiles, there was templates, and then we dropped a folder called, not a folder, a file called name chat, naked chat, right? It's just the way I named it. So you come here, once you reset, you come here, you can clearly see naked chat is now showing. You click it. Now, once you click it, your chat is going to look like this, and that is all you need, right? Basically, I've edited it to make it look like that of your trading view, right? So clearly you can see this line. This is where market is. Let's say we want to be able to buy into this market, right? It's a demo account. We want to be able to buy into it. So we choose our lot size at the top here, right? And then we hit buy. Since it's our first time, we have to accept the terms and conditions and okay. And then buy, right? Once we buy, you can clearly see that what your position is running under here. BTC, the ticket, time, sell, volume, and everything. You can clearly see that what we are in some form of what's negative right now, right? And that is how it is. You can switch in between, you can bounce in between time frames from here, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and all that. But basically because of the purpose of our strategy, we'll be staying on the 4 hour, but also because of demonstration sake, because of what I'm doing right now. What I'm just going to do is what I'm just bouncing in between time frames and all. So here's your navigation where you select your what currency pairs, your codes. You trade in this column. You add your accounts in this box here, and then your running trades will show here, right? Let's say you want to close this trade. What do? You just come and hit the X sign here. Say close with blah blah blah. Sell loss of then right. If you want to set your take profit stop loss for this trade too, it's quite easy. It's a sell setup, meaning that we're expecting it to come down, right? So our stop loss has to be above, meaning that if market keeps going all the way up, 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 it should take us out when it gets, to the top here. And if market keeps going in our direction, sell, sell, sell. Once it gets here, it should what book our profits for us, right? So you can clearly see TP stop loss here, right? But then if I want to know this stop loss, how much I'm going to lose, you can clearly see drag to modify profits -70, meaning that if market keeps going up, 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 right, I'm going to lose 170 when it gets to this line. But when it keeps coming down, 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 because I said it's going to sell 170. I'm going to, when it moves from here all the way here, I'm going to get 170, but then I can adjust it anywhere I want. I can even bring it down, meaning that if market comes all the way down here, I get 270, it's $257, right? Basically, that's what it means. If I want to close this trade, I just hit here. You can clearly see the trade is gone. My account balance has been reduced to what? 956.91, right? So basically, this is just how simple it is to set up MT5 on your desktop to start trading, right? So just watch this video, try and set it up, and then we'll pick it up from there.